Welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start coding. So we have created navigation bar, content text area and sidebar area. Let's carry on for rest of things. Let's create footer section. Comment it out and create another TR and TD and P. For paragraph, let's say copyright 2020. Let's save it. You see the text here. Let's put some type correspond to and style background color. Let's put that color and let text align center. That is our website, guys. We created navigation bar, content area, sidebar, and footer area. Let's put some content here, guys. Lorem 100. Save it. You see. And let's site area, sidebar. Let's put PR and Lorem 20 and save it. You see, guys, our web page. So you can add your content like this. It's changing the view of the text according to the size of the frame. So we just created a sample template, guys, with HTML. We will create lots of templates like this with using advanced level style in our CSS section. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.